Welcome to Curiosity Kids. I'm Joy with ACCPF, and this is my daughter, Quinn, and she is here to help me today to make something that I think is really cool. We have these little hearts cut out. Now these are little wood cutouts, and they're kind of plain, just little plain brown things. Not so cute. So today we are going to go out to the park, and actually probably start in our garden because we have a lot of stuff here. Maybe go out to the park or a trail, and we're gonna search for winter flowers, some pretty leaves, anything that kind of catches our eye so we can bring them back. We're gonna press them in kind of a heavy book for a couple days, and then we're going to use some glue and decorate this little heart, make it all pretty and beautiful. And it's something that you're going to be able to look for when you're out at the parks for your park month. Keep your eye out for decorated hearts hanging from trees or near trails, so you can collect them from the foundation. So we're going to go collect our items out at the park or in the garden probably first. Then we need to collect our regular things that we need, our supplies. So what do we need, Quinn?
Well, we need glue and a little glue paintbrush, and then you need some string, and then you need the little heart things, cardboard or wood, and then you need scissors. And you need flowers and a heavy book.
That's it. All right, so should we get outside and go have some fun? All right, we'll catch you in a minute. So now that our hearts are all dried, we can go ahead and string a little rope or yarn or whatever you have through the holes that we have on ours. Since everything is natural, it's just plants and leaves that we found. We can hang it up at the park or in our own garden or in the house. You can share them with your friends and family. Cute. So for all of the instructions and the supply list, just go to acparks.org and click on the link. You'll have everything there you need. So you guys get outside and have some fun. Bye everybody.